Hello fellow YouTubers, this is just to cover my dream Alaska Bicentennial engine. Started out as a concept idea. These are some of the original Alaska drawings, and then of course I needed parts to build my dream engine set custom. So I had a friend make the winterization hatches off of YouTube, and then I got into 3D printing and design myself. So I started designing the rest of the parts I needed for my dream Bicentennial set. Of course, it needed snow plows and winterization hatches, and the design concept included rotary beacons. So I began printing parts and getting things together. Got a hold of a custom painter named Randy out of Indiana. And of course I had to have custom decals made, so we did that. So I sent all the pieces of parts to Randy, and he began prepping them. This is the snowplow assemblies. And then he started showing me some of the finished products after almost a year. And this is what they looked like before he sent them to me. And then after I received them, of course, I took a few pictures and set them up on my layout. But I realized it needed some facelifting yet. The white line under the blue stripe had to be painted gray, so I did that. And as you look at some of these photos, you'll notice this is how I actually received the set. He did a wonderful job of painting and decaling. And this is the K-line, or I take that back, that's the Lionel series engines, F7s. And anyway, it needed some facelifting, so I did some of the work myself. I put the mirrors that you'll see later on, side mirrors. I also added the rotary beacons. My brother built the electronic circuit for it, and so I installed that. But this is the first run. Around my layout on my no longer existing layout. I tore it down to it's moving to South Carolina eventually. And it'll be a whole new layout. This was totally disassembled all the parts. This was the first run of the training after I got it back from around my layout. Anyway, after I run around the layout, I decided it needed the facelifting done to it. So that's when I began to add all the extra detail parts, painted the white stripe and the blue line gray. Added the mirrors for the off the cabs. And then eventually I did get the rotary beacons put in. But this is my favorite Alaska Railroad set. As you can see here, it didn't have the rotary beacons. But in the next run after this one, it does. So here's the second run, short run.
9642, you made the parts. Over. Thanks, boss. We've got clearance. Out.
So here's the added detail parts, the rotary beacons and the design concept, and then a final run as it stands today. Anyway, this is my